Okay, everyone, here we are, video number 7. This is going to show you how to make a time-lapse video, but then also how to upload it and get a QR code for it, as well as looking at some of the filters we can use in these layers. So TrueColor, pretty self-explanatory. We talked about this in another video, but I have since done a little bit of research, and I think it's worth noting that if you go down to custom, you can get a layer that will make the water and ice stand out a little bit. Here it is preset. What you just do is you drag and drop these tabs here. And if you go with B12, B8A, and B4, that's for the red, green, and blue spectral bands, you'll get this blue. And I think it's pretty similar. I haven't compared it to the one that is the Snow and Ice Index, but you can feel like a true scientist because you're designing this layer yourself. Here it is, my glacier with the outlet glacier here, and I'm going to make a video. So I go over to my area of interest box and I take and I drag, drop a corner. I think something like this is probably pretty good. I'll go right there. That'll get my glacier in all of its extent. Then click the time-lapse button, and we've done this before, so I'll try to go through it fairly quickly. Go as early as you can, as late as you can. In this case, I'm going to filter, I think, by the 3 months. This is in Peru, and it right off starts loading, but I'm going to get rid of these all except for the summer months. I think I'll keep December. Let's see what I'll go with March as well. Okay, so here is my video. I'm getting 120 images. Oh, that's because my cloud setting I think is too high. I'm going to dial back the cloud setting a little bit. I'm also going to get only 1 image per month. 1 image per month. This should bring it down to something reasonable. Okay, once you get this, there's some things you can do. I'm looking at, okay, I have a total of 8 images. My earliest image is 2017. My latest image is pretty good. It's only a few months ago in December of this year, so I'm going to go with that. I'll look through, and anything that I think is too cloudy, I'm going to get rid of. Maybe this one is pretty fuzzy right there, so I can just show you how I can get rid of that. Then if I go down here, I like the fade setting. It kind of blurs them together. If I go here to the little gear, I can customize that. And maybe I'll let that fade duration be a full second. And I think that I want this to be an MP4 file download, but that's when I tested a minute ago, that's what I got anyway, so I'm actually not going to mess with this, but you can try this in 2 ways if for some reason it doesn't play. I'm going to hit apply and then play this, and this is going to go fairly quickly, and I can see quite starkly how my glacier is retreating. Now, if you compare this to the scale up here at 500 meters, it looks like my glacier has easily gone back about 200 or 300 meters. So that's a long ways in just 7 years. Okay, so when I get a video that I think is good, maybe I'm going to slow the speed down. That's maybe a little too fast. Okay, then I'm going to click download for my video, and then you just have to wait a little bit as it downloads. Okay, should be ready pretty soon, and then it'll give you a dialog box, and you can name it. All right, I'm ready. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, dialog box. Maybe I can edit this out in post-production. That's a bit of a bummer that it's not doing that. All right, we're going to play. Now let's try one more time. All right. I definitely saw it do this before. It'll be a bit weird if it produces a video this time when it didn't do it last time. Okay, well, perhaps because I have already done this, it's giving me a video. All right, well, that definitely worked because here is my video from when I practiced this skill. I'm going to pause that. Oh, maybe it does not download properly while it's running. I'm not sure, but you can get it to work. And so here is my video, okay? And I just called it time lapse, and there it is. And so what I'm going to do now is open up Google Drive, and then what I will do is I'll say new, and then file upload, and then I'll go to my video Sentinel time lapse. And when I click on that, I can upload it, and it's going to ask me if I want to do it again, I think, because I've already done it. No, it seemed not to mind. And then what I do next is I go to it like this, and then I just copy this URL up here, and then I go to any open Chrome page and paste it in like that. And then when it's pasted in, I just go right click on the space of the tab, and then I create QR code for this page. Okay, so put it in your Google Drive, put the link to that drive right up there, and you will get then a QR code for this. You can then download this and give it a name if you want to find it. This is the second time I've done it, but there's the QR code appearing for the link to where I have stored that video in Google Drive. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. Good luck, everybody.